So there's another real popular tool to stop automations, and it's called Akismet. If we take a look at this and open its homepage up, then we see what it's designed to do. And if we sign up for this, then we get a key, a little API key that we enter into our settings here. So with this enabled, if I was to go into the contact form bot and um, attempt to submit something to this website, then let's see what happens. So first off, this thing will probably report that it successfully sent the message. We can see the name and email that it used. And let's just see if anything dropped in here. So we did get a message that dropped in. Now, let's take a look and just see one little thing. There is a couple settings that we have to apply. And so the setting is that I have to add this to the contact form. So I'm going to go over to the contact form and just edit it. And where I have my name here, I'm going to just add that. And then I'm going to configure this contact form to actually work with Akismet. So this is just a small little tweak, but we'll see what the impact of this tweak is. So we added those two things, save that, and then um, go ahead and try this again. So let's reset this and then start and send. And now we'll see if this successfully is able to send or not. So if Akismet works, then Flamingo should not have a new entry because it should have suppressed it. So if we look, we see there's only still that one message that we sent a few minutes ago, but the new one isn't there. So what happened is Akismet was able to successfully filter out the submission that the tool attempted to automatically send and keep it from coming through the pipeline. So we wouldn't have gotten a notification email about that submission. Very interesting. So this actually beat the contact form submission tool. Okay, so we've seen that Akismet will block spam form submissions, but where do they go? So if we have the Flamingo plugin installed, which is highly recommended, then we have this inbox, and in this inbox, there's a spam folder. This is where Akismet sends the spam filtered messages. So we can actually flag these as not spam if we wanted to restore a message because there was a false positive. Now, Akismet is a paid plugin, but you can actually go under the pricing and name your own price if the $8 per month option looks too expensive, then they have the ability for you to select down to $12 per year as the price you want to pay for Akismet Personal. Now, if you drag this to zero, then they ask that you certify that these checkboxes are true. But you can actually get this service for nothing if you qualify for it. So overall, Akismet is a very powerful tool. It blocks automated contact form submissions, and it has a very affordable and flexible price point.